Alright, so trying to put the key in. Nothing, as you can see. Won't turn, won't do anything. Steering wheel's not locked. Apparently a common problem with key cylinders and with these cameras. Nothing, won't work. So we're going to go with a little graphite lube in there. That stuff's messy, by the way. Let's see how it works. So I'm going to keep working that. And then we'll pop off the cover because we're going to take this thing out. It's never easy as it looks, but it finally popped off. I don't think I broke anything major. Down here is that little screw we'll have to take out to remove the cool little ignition light ring. I like to put the screw back in loosely so that I don't lose it. Now comes the tricky part. I'm going to have to put the key in and work with this thing for a while to try to get the key into the ACC position so that I can take the whole cylinder out. And that's going to come out as a little tab on the bottom, which you probably can't see. That'll have to push in. You've seen it in other videos though. So let's see how it goes. La-di-da. So after an hour and a half of turning the key and turning the key and turning the key and turning the key, it finally turned and I pulled it out. We've gone to Mr. Lock in Mount Washington, and for $35 and $37.36 they cleaned it and put in new tumblers. So now we just line it up with the slot here. And we'll have to push that thing in. Boom, there we go. New tumblers, new grease, shouldn't have any trouble with it. We'll then put the trim ring back on and snap all the pieces back into place, and we should be good to go. There's a little gasket that goes around this piece's toe, so I'm going to pull that off before I put it back in. Slips in on the bottom, and then push the clips back in. Get that trim ring set, we'll be good to go. Of course, this is all prefaced by disconnecting the negative battery terminal, so we need to get that one back in. Headlights just popped on when I did that. Give it a shot. Oh yeah, that's just perfect. Nice. $37.36 for the total fix.